Okay, so now we've finished cleaning the chair, we're going to apply some conditioner. The conditioner is the Ecoshield Leather Conditioner, which has just got all natural ingredients in it. It's really gentle on the leather and it absorbs into leather and leaves a nice finish. So that's your conditioning side of things. So what we'll do, make it a lot easier to apply, is we put our cloth into the water, give it a really good wring out, and then apply some conditioner onto the cloth and spread it out nice and evenly. It goes on nice and easy, so it spreads out nice and smoothly. Now once we've got this on, it needs about 10 minutes to dry. Okay, that's all spread on nice and evenly. So we now need to leave that for 10 minutes, so we'll stop the video and we'll come back after that. Now we've left that for 10 minutes and we just need to come back now and give it a buff off. Let's just give it a nice smooth even strokes all over the surface, overlapping. If you see any little streaky marks through it, you just need to apply a little bit more pressure and that will come off and give you a nice smooth shiny finish. Not too shiny, it's just a low sheen. Comes off quite easily. Okay, so there you have it, nice clean lounge and a nice smooth finish on the surface.